In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use UTM tags on your website and forms so that when someone submits a form, you can track how they got to your site and how they actually found the form. So I've got a really basic form here with just a first and a last name, and I'm going to tap the three dots here and click the public form link. And we've got our share.fluoro.io URL. And just up here, I'm going to add a question mark UTM underscore campaign equals Easter, and I'm going to write an and symbol, UTM term equals free Easter egg hunt. And if I use this link here and post it onto Facebook or post it on social media or email it to people, when they click it, they'll get to this page and Fluoro will track that this is the campaign and the term that's being used. So if we fill this out, John, if I can spell properly, John Johnson, if we hit submit, if we go back to our admin panel and we view the form submissions, we can then click our filters and track our UTM campaigns where we want to find all of the forms that have been submitted with that Easter campaign, and we can also track our UTM term is one of the free Easter egg hunt. We can see how many forms actually came through from that traffic source. And if we click the form as well, we can also see the terms and the campaigns in here as well. Now this works with form links, but it also works if you have the form embedded on a website. And the great thing about it is you can have someone visit your website. Let's say they go to website.com and you've got the UTM campaign in the URL, and someone clicks that link, and then maybe they go away and they come back and visit your site 2 or 3 days later, and they fill in a form, like a Connect card form or a general inquiry form. That UTM campaign will still be stored from the first time that they visited. So if I press enter on this, and just as an example, we'll just put our UTM campaign as an example, and then I visit the page again and I get rid of that. So I might come back on my own accord or come back through a link later on, and we do Bugs Bunny in here, and we hit submit. If we go back here to our UTM, to our form submission list, you'll see that if we filter our UTM campaign, we've got our example option there as well from Bugs Bunny, just here.